Today's Tuesday tax tip has to do with year-end planning. Now that we've entered the final quarter of 2015, year-end obviously is not that far away. I feel it is important to start looking at your tax situation in October so that you're not surprised in April. Some of the things that you want to look at are if you are an entrepreneur in any way. In other words, if you are a sole proprietor and you have a Schedule C, if you have a partnership or an S corporation that you are a member of, it's important to look at these entities and get a projection of what you think the taxable income is going to be by the end of 2015. And if you own any of these companies, it may be time to look to see if you want to purchase any equipment. Section 179 of the Internal Revenue Code allows taxpayers to write off equipment which is typically depreciated over a number of years, all in 1 year. Now, in the past few years, that number has been up to $500,000. This year, the number is currently at $25,000. However, the last couple of years, the law has been changed towards the end of the year to allow for a little bit more expensing. I know it doesn't give you much time, but it's something to keep your eye on, especially if you're thinking about adding some equipment in the near future. If you have a portfolio that has capital gains in it, you sold some stock at a large gain, or you had a capital gain from something else that you sold during the year, you may want to look at your portfolio to see if there's anything that you can sell at a loss that may offset the gain before the end of the year. You want to make sure, obviously, all of your estimated taxes are paid. And again, go through a rough calculation of what you think your taxes are going to be in April by, again, calculating everything as close or estimating everything as closely as you can. This way, you can look at your situation and say, all right, my tax liability is going to be X. I've paid in Y so far, so I know I'm going to owe this amount of money in April. Tax planning at this time of the year, again, is very important because you don't want to wind up surprised in April. Hope this helps you out. I'll see you again next Tuesday.